Hi, Sonia Fox here with NDSU Ag CMS. Wanted to show you how you can embed a YouTube player gadget into your website. Now, you don't have to have your own YouTube videos out there in order to use this information. Did you know that NDSU Extension has its own site? NDSU Ag CMS has our own site full of training videos. So if you see something out on YouTube that you would like to include on your website, you can certainly do that. And I like this gadget because I know it works and looks really nice and mobile. So that was a big seller for me. Also note that you can embed single YouTube videos, you can embed entire YouTube channels or YouTube playlist in your website if you want to. Those are other options there. So if we go to the Ag CMS page, you'll see here over on the right, I have included this gadget and I've named it Training Videos. And what it does, it takes all my videos that I have out on my YouTube channel called NDSU AgCom. And by the way, if you haven't already subscribed, you can go ahead and do that by having this button here. But note, it pulls in all my videos in this little gadget. So here it will show you the title as well as how long that video is. You can kind of scroll through and see what the different videos are. You can also go back. And if you want to just check out the channel yourself, you could go out there by just clicking NDSU AgCom, or as I said before, people could go through right there and subscribe right to your channel. So how do we get these videos out on your website? Well, what you can do, and this link will be available in the video at the end of the video. And what you can do is it will bring you actually to this kind of main site where it highlights some singer. And what we'll do is we're going to click to add to the web page. Now, another example they showed here is Ford models, and perhaps you don't want to put Ford models on your extension or research site. So what you can do is put in the name of the YouTube channel that you'd like to put on your site. So in this case, I'm going to put in NDSU extension. I'm also going to give it a name. Something was pre-filled in there, so I'm just going to name this NDSU extension on YouTube. You can also adjust the pixel height and width, but from testing I've done, everything appears to be just fine with these default sizes. If you wanted to have a colorful border, you could choose that too. So what I've done here, you can click preview changes, but you'll see here that it did in fact bring up this NDSU extension gadget. So I could go through, I can scroll through and see all the videos that are out there. I could go out and check out the channel itself on YouTube, or I could just subscribe directly to it right here. So now that we've identified what YouTube channel we'd like to put on our website, I'm going to click on getting the code. What we're going to do, and you don't need to be an HTML developer, but I'm going to grab this code and we're going to put it in to our Ag CMS site. So for instance, let's say I wanted to put our AgCom YouTube channel on our AgCom website. And how we're going to do this is through a portlet. We are going to build out a static text portlet. So I'll choose that option here. And note under the visual editor, there's this link for edit without visual editor. I'm going to click on that. And first of all, I'm going to give this a title or a header. Maybe I'll just name it YouTube videos. And here I'm going to paste that code in. And don't worry, it won't show like that. It's just something that's being done on the back end. I'm going to save it. And so now let's go back to our AgCom page and see if that player is showing. And in fact, it is. I just got to wait for my browser to catch up here, but this is how it would appear on that website. So again, there's quite a few options in linking to YouTube. You could link to a sole video, a playlist, an entire channel. I happen to like this gadget because it works good in Ag CMS as well as mobile. And don't forget that YouTube is now the second largest search engine. So There's some really good content out there, and it's really easy to share without having to go and make your own video. So please consider using this gadget. And if you are on any other social media channels, there are different ways to incorporate similar gadgets like this, such as for Facebook and Twitter feeds and so forth. So check out our how-to guide. Otherwise, get a hold of myself or Bob Birch. Thank you.